Lyco Manufacturing has helped customers solve their liquid-solid screening needs in the pet food industry since 1998. In addition, we have over 2,300 screens in all food processing industries. As a result of our experience and proven reliability, we are the recognized leader for liquid-solid separation needs. If you have pasteurizing or cooking and cooling needs for pouched products, Lyco offers our continuous chill flow. These systems have been around since 1988 and are more efficient than belt or static tank type systems. For liquid-solid separating options, we offer two different style of units depending upon your application. With our internally fed flow-through screens, both the water and solids enter the inside of the screen. The water drains out the screen while the solids are augured out the end of the drum. Lyco drums are made with wedge wire construction, with openings typically between 30 thousandths of an inch to 40 thousandths of an inch. The screens handle capacities ranging from 200 gallons per minute up to 2,000 gallons per minute. Lyco units also have the lowest water usage. Instead of static spray bars, Lyco offers a traveling spray, which only uses one or two nozzles for cleaning the screen. This drastically reduces water usage for CIP, in many cases by up to 80 to 100 gallons per minute for each screen. For applications with a lot of hair, fat, oil, and grease, Lyco offers externally fed screens. Product and water are pumped through the head box, and the water goes through the screen and out the back drain. The solids cascade over the screen while the drum is turning, and the doctor blade helps remove the solids from the screen. For packaged pouch pasteurizing or cooling, Lyco offers chill flow. These systems are used for both heating or cooling and can handle a wide variety of packages. Our systems are all first in, first out. The product is submersed in water and gently agitated, resulting in uniform cooking and cooling. We use our patented HydroFlow technology to ensure 100% uniform treatment. The product is gently handled as it conveys through both the heating and cooling zones. If you would like more information about Lyco or any of our equipment, please call our office at 920-623-4152 and ask for a sales representative, or visit our website at www.lycomfg.com.